Hello, I am Señor Leonel, and I am here to talk to you about the wonderful things that you will do because you can do them. I know you can learn new things and make really good grades. And you know why? Because I see something special in you, and your teacher sees something special in you, and so does your parent. That's right, you're smart. I know for sure that you're smart because everyone is smart at something. Remember that when your teacher asks you to answer questions or do work. Every day you have a chance to train your brain and learn new things. Sometimes it's hard to learn, but never give up. Keep trying and remember to ask for help. Everyone at your school is here to help because they know what I know. You can do it, and you will do it. Adios for now, and remember, you will do wonderful things.